Hey everybody, Collin Skufca here with Kathy Cesca with iAutomation, our longtime Bimba partner. I wanted to bring her in here to share some of her experiences and relationship over the years with Bimba. So Kathy, welcome. I wanted to see if you could explain a little bit about your experience over the years with Bimba, some background in partnership, and how you guys view us as a supplier.
Sure. Thanks for having me here. Kathy Cesca, as you mentioned, I'm VP of Sales for iAutomation. I've been with iAutomation about 13 years, and we've been a Bimba partner for the whole time I've been with iAutomation. So we've been able to provide our customers with custom Bimba solutions. We do a lot of distribution as well as manufacturing for our customers. So a lot of the custom solutions that we build into our assemblies for our customers over the years have been excellent. They have great product support, great service, great delivery. So it's been a real pleasure to work with Bimba over the several years.
Good, good. How do you see a supplier, a manufacturer supplier partner like us helping go through iAutomation to your guys' end customers, and how do you see that flow go in terms of providing value to your customer base?
Yeah, so a lot of what we do, like I was mentioning before, is custom solutions, and your team, your engineering team, often works hand in hand with my sales team in providing the best possible solution for our customer. From the engineering standpoint, we have application engineers as well that will work with your team also to engineer the best solution possible for our customers. So we look forward to continuing that.
Yeah, it's a really good partnership with iAutomation, as our focus is moving more towards applications engineering, specials, and working with our distributor partners who also have that same talent on their teams to best provide a solution for our OEMs, our customer base across the country and in Canada. So Kathy, thank you so much for the continued partnership. We look forward to many more years to come.
Yeah, us too at iAutomation. Thanks.
Thank you.